Am I the only one that didn't know Apollo's story is more than just sun and light? Let's dive into it and uncover the many layers of this fascinating deity. Apollo isn't just the guy who brings us daylight, he's a multi-talented deity with a wide range of responsibilities and talents. God of music, poetry, healing and prophecy, Apollo's got a lot on his divine plate. His influence spans across various aspects of life and culture. With his golden lyre, he could charm even the grumpiest gods. His music was said to bring peace and harmony to the heavens. And when it comes to archery, he's got perfect aim, no contest. His skills with the bow were unmatched, making him a formidable warrior. But wait, there's more. Apollo's also a symbol of youthful beauty and athleticism. His physical prowess was admired by many. Think of him as the ultimate ancient Greek all-star, excelling in both the arts and physical feats. Plus, he's got some wild stories. His adventures are legendary and filled with excitement, like the time he defeated the Python at Delphi, showcasing his bravery and strength. Or when he guided the oracles to predict the future, helping mortals with his divine insights. So next time you enjoy a sunny day or hear a beautiful melody, give a nod to Apollo. His presence is felt in many aspects of our lives. After all, he's been shining bright for centuries, illuminating our world with his many gifts and talents.